Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shammal here. This time I have the newest Huina excavator without the tracks. This is the other type of excavator and a simple one. Behind this we have the double E excavator, which is a complete 16 channel excavator. That means you can move everything on the arm and whole bucket, and I mean the whole excavator is much more functional. But this one can just move the arm up and down, and based on that the bucket will just with its weight come down and try to dig in. I'm not sure how well it will perform, but hey, this is worth a try. What a beautiful scaled looking machine this is. We have also put a Lego driver inside there, and he's actually enjoying his time right inside. I hope it will keep in there. But amazingly, I mean, these people on these toys, they are making great details on these toys. Very scaled details. This one has a working forward and rear light. Let's give it a try and let's see which one will dig better. So double E is driven by Arish Ali right here, and of course this one I will drive first, and then Hadi is going to have this one. Well, this is the Huina, the simple excavator. So you have forward controls. This is basically dual steering. Both of these sticks control one side of wheels, so forward, backward, left and right, and you can just move the arm up and down, and based on the weight it will work. So turn on the radio, turn on the excavator, and this is how you drive it.
I'm following you.
Come on. But it is much faster than those track-based ones, I think. Oh, you have sand in there, huh?
Yeah.
Wait, we can race first, okay? Okay, ready? Go forward, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! So Huina is much faster compared to the tracks, but for digging I'm sure Arish will win because he has more functional one. Let's try to dig in and see how it goes. And driving on sand, Arish is much better, while mine is struggling to go up. Yeah. Come on! Come on! Alright, let me see if I can dig something or not. So, here I go. Ready? Only this little? And how you put it down? Just like this. Okay.
I have more sand because I have a bigger bucket.
Yeah. I'm stuck. I cannot go anymore. Any further. It always gets this little. I cannot get more. And I'm completely stuck now. Can Arish help?
Okay.
Come on. And use your bucket to push me out.
Okay, first let me dump in sand.
Yeah. Alright. See, that is very nice. Okay, turn right. It's right or left? Left, yes. Go forward. Go forward. Okay, match. Hand, arm down. Down. Okay, now extract the arm, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, thank you, Arish. That's a big help. So, digging wise, my excavator is pretty much useless because it digs very little. Let's give them some, how to say, soft sand, shall we? Let's see which one can dig more. We have to dig and put on the road, okay? So here comes Baba's little Huina. Really slow, but lights are really nice actually. Alright, let's dig it. Oh, I got stuck. Mine has a very simple operation. Yeah, the weight of the bucket, which is a kind of metal bucket, does help to dig in, and you can actually get a nice scoop out of the sand, but you need to have a very nice angle. Oh, big one. I'll get a picture. All right, Baba's excavator is working really nice. Do you want to change, Irish?
Nope.
You still like yours? Oh, Baba gets stuck again. Okay, Baba's digging.
Got a huge
See, Baba's one can get a scoop, but Baba got stuck. So without the tracks, these are the problems. You always get stuck. All right, I'll just give it a little push backward.
Look at my sand.
How much did you get?
Many. Look.
Whoa, you almost dug it out. Look, Baba is still working.
But I cheated. When you're taking picture, I use hand.
Ah, you use hand. Cheater! Loser!
Loser.
Uh-oh, Baba gets stuck again. Ah. Let's dig together. I was just cheating. Because the gears are gone or what? Gears are not working, right? Man, these RC digging, we simply love doing it. I mean, this is really lots of fun. I and Irish just sitting here and digging sand.
Okay, I'm done.
See, Baba's is very easy, Irish. Baba teach you how to do it, okay? You wanna do?
No.
Baba teach you, see. When it's like this, okay? You just point it anywhere, okay? For example, here. And then just push and hold this until it digs down. See? That's it. Then come back. And again push and hold this. So it will do. Then pick it up. Go back. See? That's just that easy. No more fiddling around with many controls. And it's a fast digger. See? It's digging very fast. You wanna try?
I have so many buttons.
Alright, I understand. So you have more control, but this one is very easy. Try it. Come on. Alright, come on.
Done.
Full. Keep digging. Dig a couple of scoops. So, this Huina excavator is really simple to use and very good for kids because they don't have much controls to do, and basically with just 2 buttons this heavy bucket thing is very efficient. It digs faster than those 16 channels because kids have to learn a lot of controls for these, but these are really simple. You see, within like less time compared to that one, this one has moved a lot of sand because of its simplicity. All Irish need to do is simply press a button when he wants to dig and let it just scoop it up. Alright, okay. Alright, this is it. This is the Huina simple excavator. That is a 4-channel, I believe, excavator. And you have watched our review of double E 16-channel excavator and Huina 16-channel excavators as well. For now, I will give it some rest so Irish and Hadi can play together. Hadi will be driving this one because very simple for kids to drive. While Irish is already a professional driving the 16-channel one. Aren't you? With a little bit of cheating going on there, right? But hey, this is all about this is all about the playing. This is all about the play and how you enjoy with these. Once again, I love the beautiful details on this machine. Very extremely detailed machine, highly skilled. And that's why we put a Lego guy inside. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.